Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Rustic decoration refers to a type of design that rejects modern furnishings and focused instead on the natural state of things, which encompasses the wear and tear as well as aging of materials. Rustic decor prioritizes natural materials and values repurposing of materials, items, and other objects for decorative purposes. The term rustic and garden decor seem like a perfect match. After all, what is more natural than an outdoor garden? There are plenty of possibilities when it comes to rustic garden decor. There are several different materials that you can introduce into your garden, or you can work with what is already there to spruce it up and give it a rustic feel. Some common materials found in a rustic garden include wood, stone, burlap, canvases. Even within the world of natural materials, you will find that there are ways to make them more rustic. For example, you should use natural materials as lightly treated as possible to fully engage with rustic decor. Since raw materials have more rustic appeal than finished materials, you might want to choose unfinished wood instead of glossy options. Material is not the only element to consider for our rustic style. Color plays a huge role in rustic decor. In general, you would not find an overload of bright colors in any rustic themed garden decor. There is no need to paint the natural materials you use for your decor, but if you decide to personalize your materials, stick to earthy tones to keep that rustic theme in your garden. Earthy tones that fit the rustic color scheme include browns, evergreen, rust, turmeric, and sage. Another significant element of rustic garden decor is the authenticity of your furnishings. Rustic decor values the natural process, including the manufacturing of materials. Handcrafted materials are the best choice to keep up a rustic theme. However, handmade furnishings and decor can be expensive and take a long time to make. A good alternative is to seek decor items that at least look like they are handmade to keep with the illusion and give your garden that consistently rustic feel. Now that you have an idea of what rustic decor entails, let's watch this video till end to have a look at some rustic garden decor ideas to bring out the natural state of your garden or outdoor area. Between the focus on natural materials and the use of subdued color palettes, the theme of rustic decor may feel restrictive. However, there are several ways to get creative with rustic designs, especially for outdoor spaces such as a garden. So you can repurpose your old furniture like kitchen table and chairs, coffee table, bench, or ladder. Or you can buy some new rustic furniture. But I suggest you to go with some old furniture items which you have in your trash area or you are thinking to throw them away.